When something happens with us and somebody tells us कि अब क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको तो एक्सेप्ट करना ही पड़ेगा, लाइफ तो ऐसी है. Now when we say we have to accept, करना पड़ेगा, this is passive acceptance. The next is active acceptance. What is active acceptance? Now all of us, we also know that there is a law that's functioning. There is law of karma, there is law of attraction. We don't feel good in some situations, we don't like it. Ideally, I would have liked that this never happens. But now this has happened and this law is functioning. So now we work towards actually accepting, right? So we try to bring into it. So our intention is there that I know I want to accept. So we are not doing it like a victim that, oh, I have to accept it, but we are actually putting effort. We are taking steps so that we can accept it. It sometimes imagine like a river, and if we just try to fight the flow many times, just the fact that we are fighting so much, that makes us drown. That makes it more difficult and heavy for us.